to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. In this video, we dive deep into everything you need to know about this legendary off-road vehicle. From its powerful performance to its luxurious interior, we explore why the Land Cruiser is a favorite among adventurers and families alike. Join us as we cover engine performance, discover the capabilities of the 4.6L engine and how it handles both on and off-road conditions. Interior features, take a closer look at the comfort and technology that make every journey enjoyable. Safety ratings, learn about the impressive safety features that ensure peace of mind for you and your passengers. Fuel efficiency, we discuss the fuel economy of the Land Cruiser and how it compares to other vehicles in its class. Off-road capabilities, see the Land Cruiser in action as we test its performance on rugged terrains. Join me as I dive into the ultimate challenge of putting the Toyota Land Cruiser 4.6L to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype. The Toyota Land Cruiser 4.6L is an iconic vehicle that has been a benchmark for off-road capability and durability for decades. With its rich heritage and loyal following, it's no wonder that it stands out in the SUV market. One thing that might deter potential buyers from considering the Land Cruiser is its fuel economy. Let's face it, it's not the most fuel-efficient vehicle out there. But what you need to understand is that the Land Cruiser is built for a purpose, to conquer the toughest terrains and provide unmatched reliability. Its fuel economy might not be the best, but it's a small price to pay for the kind of capability it offers. Another misconception about the Land Cruiser is its size. Yes, it's a big vehicle, but that doesn't mean it's cumbersome or hard to maneuver. In fact, its large size provides a sense of security and comfort, especially when driving on rough roads or navigating tight trails. Plus, its size allows for a spacious interior and generous cargo capacity, making it perfect for road trips or outdoor adventures. Some people might also think that the Land Cruiser is old-fashioned or outdated. But trust me, that's far from the truth. The recent updates have brought significant improvements to its technology, comfort, and performance. It's a modern vehicle that has retained its core values of durability and off-road prowess. The 4.6L engine of the Land Cruiser is a beast of an engine. It produces 301 horsepower and 329 lb-ft of torque, which is plenty of power to tackle any terrain or task. But what really impresses me is its low-end torque, which provides excellent towing capacity and helps with slow-speed crawling. Whether you're rock crawling, sand duning, or towing a trailer, this engine has got you covered. One of the standout features of the Land Cruiser is its advanced technology. The Kinetic Dynamic Suspension System, or KDSS, is a game-changer when it comes to off-road capability. It allows for greater suspension articulation, which means you can tackle steeper inclines and rocky terrain with confidence. And with the multi-terrain select system, you can choose from various modes to suit your driving conditions, from rock crawling to mud and sand. I've had the privilege of driving the Land Cruiser on some of the toughest trails, and I can tell you that it's an incredible experience. The way it crawls over rocks, forges through rivers, and climbs steep hills is truly awe-inspiring. But what really takes it to the next level is its reliability. You can trust the Land Cruiser to get you where you need to go, no matter what the terrain throws at it. For me, the standout feature of the Land Cruiser is its ability to inspire adventure. Whether you're a seasoned off-roader or just starting out, this vehicle has the power to spark something within you. It's a reminder that there's a whole world out there waiting to